Ever wondered how to create effective keywords? Well, in the world of digital marketing, keywords are the golden keys that unlock your audience's attention. They're the backbone of SEO, helping you reach your target audience. Creating impactful keywords is not as complex as it seems. Start by understanding your target audience. Know what they need, what they're searching for. Then, research relevant topics within your industry. Find out what's trending, what people are talking about. Next, use keyword research tools to identify popular search terms related to these topics. Look for high-volume, low-competition keywords. Consider the competition too. See what keywords they're ranking for. This will give you a clear direction on which keywords to target for your content. Remember, the goal is to match the search intent of your audience. At Authority Solutions, we provide top-tier SEO services. Our experts master the art of crafting effective keywords, tailoring strategies that elevate your website's visibility. With our help, SEO becomes less of a mystery and more of a powerful tool. Trust Authority Solutions to boost your online presence. Ready to create your own effective keywords? It's time to put these tips to work. Remember, success is all about action. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more such helpful tips.